we are back. Camera randomly fails to keep focus. Oh, now you are trying your best at the tasty bin. Nope, that's a leaf. So every time it goes out of focus, I just take a screenshot and then it's in focus again. Great. I think the infrared distance measure is partially occluded. That sucks. Playtime. Yes, no, maybe. Oh, nail scratching on the wood. Yeah, we got a lot of new locks to play on. Yep. If I wouldn't place the locks here, they would just scratch all the living trees, and that's not good for the living trees. Oh, oh, oh. And zoomies time. I am pretty much done. Yeah, that's a wrap.